My first backcountry camping trip starts early in the morning to get everything packed up into our trailer, canoes on, and hitting the road. Really nice, beautiful drive from Kitchener to Osler Lake, where we need to check in before heading to the launch point. It's a bit busy. There are quite a few people camping this weekend, so we do try to be as quick and efficient with our etiquette as possible. Get the canoes filled, and don't let the big smile fool you. I am very nervous. This is my first backcountry trip, so there is definitely some nerves around the canoeing, making sure that I have enough strength and abilities to do the paddle, but also the portage. It's a short 400-meter portage, but I've never done it before where you have to actually canoe, portage, canoe again to get to your site. The luck of the draw is that we had beautiful weather, so it was quite easy, and we made it to campsite number 9. It was absolutely gorgeous. We are going to set up quickly because the day is going to turn into night faster than I think we know it. So the campfire is going. We've collected some firewood and quick dinner and off to bed after a long day.
Okay, first night sleeping in a tent again, backcountry camping. So first time backcountry, but I haven't actually slept in this tent in almost a year now. So surprisingly, I got a good 7 hours of sleep. That's awesome. I checked my watch this morning to see how I did because I do feel pretty great. It's so quiet. It was pretty easy to sleep. The air was perfect. The temperature was perfect. I'm feeling great and ready for coffee and a great day.
Coffee is brewed. I am excited to get a cup, and the day is beautiful. Let me show you a little bit around campsite number 9. It has spectacular views, lots of trees. We set up our tents. Our tent actually has a view of the lake from the back end there, and just a short walk into the woods. If you know, you know, the Thunderbox is there. And segue into me making breakfast, because once you have some coffee and you hit the Thunderbox, you gotta have some breakfast. Bacon, eggs, and we're making some breakfast wraps for the whole gang this morning, and just going to enjoy breakfast, enjoy the views. It's a little overcast, but the water is so perfectly still, so I'm just going to enjoy and take it all in. After tidying up and enjoying the morning, we wanted to explore the lake and get back on the water. So we are off in the canoe to go check things out. I'm the only one on this group trip that has never been here before. So we actually wanted to paddle all around and go check out site number 20. And this is the view from site number 20, and the sun has come out. It's turned into such a beautiful day. We spent about 2 hours on the water paddling and stopping and enjoying the view, enjoying the sunshine. So then back to camp we went. A little bit of reading, some hammock time, some lunch and snacks, lots of firewood gathering. It's definitely a challenge to do fires backcountry more than it is when you're car camping and you buy wood, but a gorgeous night for a fire.
Another pretty good sleep, 6 hours or a little bit more actually. A little sore from all the paddling, but I slept fine. It's so quiet here. Like, that's part of, I think, the reason why it's so easy to sleep, because there's just so much peace and quiet, fresh air. Oh, yeah, not bad. Time for coffee though.
Before coffee, I need to show you the sunrise here. It took my breath away.
It is the most beautiful morning in the Massasauga. It is sunny. There's not a cloud in the sky. The sunrise this morning was so beautiful. It's so calm. The birds are singing. I don't know if we could have asked for better weather. I mean, this is absolutely perfection.
Okay, coffee and a morning campfire. We are enjoying the sunshine, enjoying our morning. My sister-in-law made breakfast sandwiches and we are heating them up over the fire, and oh man, were they good. This is our final day. It was a quick 2-night trip, and we are already packed up and saying goodbye to our campsite.
Let's have stuff to carry, but at least it's a very short portage. Less than 400 meters, but certainly a challenge when you have this much weight on you.
After our portage and getting everything loaded in, our final paddle was absolutely stunning. We took a minute to just stop and enjoy the view, enjoy the weather before getting back to the launch point to unpack. We needed to walk up to the parking lot where we had our car, drive back down to the launch point to get all packed up, but that is it. That is the end of the trip. I am overwhelmed with how amazing it was, and I can't wait to do it again.